Okay, so Lisa Grace asked me to do a tutorial on how to fold a fitted sheet. A lot of people haven't been taught how to do this, and a lot of people think that it's really hard, but it's not. But first I'm going to give you some laundry tips. Even if you have to go to the laundromat, you can still do this. I fold and hang my laundry right out of the dryer. I also use these collapsible shopping bags. I got them really cheap, like $4 a piece or something like that, to pre-sort my laundry, and then all I have to do is just bring the bag into the laundry room and put it in the washer or dryer, hang it up, and fold it. Another tip I have is if you will put little soda tabs on your hangers for your shirts, you can then take and match up your clothes for the week, so you're not trying to figure out, what am I going to wear tomorrow? You just go, oh, okay, I can wear that. And it saves space in your closet. Love that. I think my former roommate found that on Pinterest or something like that. Let's see, what else? Oh, yeah. So if you do your own pedicures, and I do, because I'm not going to spend that money, I keep all my stuff in my little tub, so I know right where it is, and I don't use it for anything else. Also, this is like my hurricane prep. It's adult size washcloths that you could use in the event that you didn't have any water. I'm thinking about turning one of these little bags, I think there's 48 in each bag, into some disinfectant wipes later today. And if I do, I'll show you how I did that. Okay, so folded sheet. I know, stop. Okay, so here's a folded, dreaded sheet that everybody just wants to wad up and throw into the closet. You don't have to do that anymore. Okay, so what are you going to do to keep it from touching the floor? It just came out of the dryer. You're at the laundromat and the floors are filthy. You're at home, but you still don't want it to touch the floor. So I take it out of the dryer and I hold it like this so it's not touching the floor. I'm going to push my laundry basket out of the way. Laundry basket. Okay, so every folded sheet has these corners. See? And you can see them because they have a seam in them. Okay? So I said, you find the short side. See, the short side. So now I have a corner. Turn it inside out. Got my hand in it, like this. So I know that's my short side. So now I'm going to go to my long side. Oh, there's my other corner. See? And I'm going to stuff it in there like that. Okay? Nice and neat. Now I'm going to go find my other short corner. I'm doing this kind of slow so it's easy to follow. There it is. I'm going to stick it like that just for now. Then I'm going to find my other long side. Oh, it's here somewhere. Ah, there it is. See, there's my corner. And I'm going to stuff it in there like that. Okay? Corners. You got your corners, right? Okay, so now let's grab it. Make it nice and neat. Grab it. Make it nice and neat. Okay? So now we're going to turn this corner like this. I'm going to stuff it in that side. Just like that. Okay? Now we're going to make it nice and neat. Now grab it like this. See? So now you got a straight line. Now grab it like this. Straighten out this side. Okay? Grab it like this. So now you have a straight line. See how it looks like a towel now? Now fold it in. Make it nice and neat. See? Nice and neat. Now fold it like a towel. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Just like that. Or if you want it smaller, you can fold it in thirds like a towel. Lost my corner. Just like that. See? Nice and neat. Fold it in half again if you want to save space. Just like that. Ta-da! Now it's going to go into the closet. Okay, so if there's anything else that I can help you with, just let me know. Be happy to demonstrate. I ordered a YouTube style video camera the other day because the quality on the camera I'm using on my laptop is junk. So, because I want to do some cooking videos for everybody. So just let me know if there's anything else I can help you with.